Hey everyone, Anthony from DataCrunch here with another computer tip of the day. Has anyone ever run into this situation where you download a Windows update or you download an update to a program on your computer, or you change a setting on your computer or in a program or something, and it just totally messes up your computer? It's slow, it's not reacting right, maybe it crashes, maybe your program crashes, or maybe just pretty much it messes up the computer and it's just not acting right anymore. There's actually a simple way that you can stop that from happening. Unfortunately, if you don't have this setting turned on, it won't work it won't work going back. But going forward, if you ever run into this problem, you'll be able to prevent it. Just click on the start button on your Windows computer and type in, I believe it's system recovery, sorry. And it should come up with a Microsoft recovery thing, and just click. There should be somewhere in there that says turn on system recovery, or create system restore point, or something along those lines. You're not actually going to go through and start a recovery, but you're going to set up the recovery to start working. So what this does is, I believe you'll have an option to actually do automatic recovery points. So it'll just create recovery points for you. You can set up recovery points to be done once a week, after every update, however you want to manage that. Once a week, once a month, once a week would be good, or just put it on automatic. Let it create your recovery points for you. Now, what this does is, let's say you mess up some setting, or you download an update and it just screws your computer up. When you go back into that system recovery wizard, you'll be able to actually go through, start a system recovery, click next, and you'll see all the recovery points that your computer can go back in time to. Now, what that'll do is it'll keep all your files. So let's say you typed up a document, it's there. You downloaded something, it's there. It doesn't, your pictures, your videos, whatever, it'll all still be there. But it reverts your operating system back in time to that day, and with all those settings, whatever was set on your computer, it reverts it back in time. So if you changed a Windows setting, if you updated Microsoft or something along those lines, and it screwed up your computer, now that you have that system recovery in place and it's making the automatic recovery, you can just go back in time, and if that one doesn't work, you could go back in time again. And it just gives you a lot of flexibility. And with your data recovery, data backupping and everything that we've spoken about before, with your virus protection and with system recovery, you guys should have no problems with your computers. Just have a problem, open up system recovery, go back to a certain date, and you should be good. All right, everyone. Thanks again. This is Anthony from DataCrunch.